In this video, we will discuss how to control auto wiring using Spring XML. We can auto wire in Spring by name, by type, and constructor. And to decide these things, we need to use auto wire attribute in bean element. When we use by name, it means Spring container looks for the bean name same as property name of the class for auto wiring. And for the by type, Spring container selects the bean by class type for auto wiring. And constructor, Spring container uses constructor based auto wiring. We can also set auto wire as no. In that case, we need to use ref property to resolve dependency. For in this video, we will discuss about the byName auto wiring. Spring container looks for the bean in XML configuration that name is same as class property name. If there is more than one bean of the same class with different bean name in our XML configuration, the auto wiring will not conflict and take the matching bean name with class property name. Let us see by the example. I have a class address. It has two fields, city and state. What I am doing that I am creating two bean for the address class with the different values. The first for the first bean name is address, the second name is address 2, and it has different value, city and state different value, and for the second bean it has different value, both are of the address type. Now come to the class. Here imply class, here I am using at the data to add for the address field. Now as we are doing as a by name, so what we have to do is that we have to match one of these name, address or address 2. Right now it is matching with the address, so we will get value of this bean. We will get city and state Mumbai and Maharashtra. Let's see the output. Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay, we have created bean here that imply class. It has two field, MP name and address. And what I am doing that I am injecting value only for the MP name and use auto attribute and assign by name. If it is by type, we need to use here by type. Okay, so here I am using by name, so it will use the bean name and will match with the field name. I am auto wiring this field, so this will match with the address. Now if I use address 2, now it will match next bean, this one, because its name is address 2. We can see the different values. We need to generate setter and getter again. and now we get the correct value. Okay, it uses the setter methods to inject the value. That's why setter method name should match. We can see it. Suppose it's address. Okay, so the field name should match with the setter method name. The bean name is address, so this should match with the setter method name. In this way, we can use our auto wiring using by name. So what we have to do is that suppose if you have two bean of the same class and with a different name, and we want to inject that value in another bean, suppose this is imply. So what we can do is that we can configure with this bean as a auto wire attribute is equal to by name, and in that case the auto wired field of this class will use, there will be no conflict, and it will use auto wiring by name available in the configuration file. Here there are two fields, address and address 2 for the same class type address class, and hence I am using by name, so it is matching the setter method name and using accordingly. Okay, thank you.